Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your 2024 Honda Accord? Wondering which fuse controls what in your car? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box diagram of the 2024 Honda Accord identifies high current fuses and relays controlling critical systems like the engine, ABS, and cooling fans. Its location, typically near the battery, allows easy access for diagnosing and replacing blown fuses. Internal main fuse box. The internal main fuse box diagram of the 2024 Honda Accord details fuse assignments for cabin electronics like power windows, infotainment, and lighting. Located under the dashboard on the driver's side, it provides easy access for diagnosing and replacing interior-related fuses. Interior subfuse box. The internal subfuse box of the 2024 Honda Accord manages specific auxiliary systems such as seat heaters, accessory power, and safety features. It is typically located behind interior panels or near the passenger footwell, offering targeted circuit protection and easy service access.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse, A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.